Well, y'all, I finally got the check one, but I finally kicked that out of the planter. Yeah, my 10 foot it. My pressing charge, I've been riding with it. I've been riding with him. Then I make sure my pressures are great. Go over a little bit about this monitor. So, right here, that's your obviously mount painting. That's your level of your fertilizer in your tanks. That's your average draw spacing, basically 9 inches for, popping seed. That's all you see. The tall ones there, you see, you make the all out on the key plant. The bottom ones there, your fertilizer. That's your liquid right there. You can put 4 sheets of 7 gallons an acre. That's our field area. That's our, that's our field area. That's our population, our down pressure, our downforce. That's how you control your downforce. This is your average air contact. Right here is 99%, which is good. And then you got this is how you control everything. This is how you rate your row cleaners up, your cleaner mode. You judge all your pressures on top here, compressor on, and all that. That's how you do that. And then that's your field game. And then you got your this is how you fold it. All that. That's how you start. This is how you go to this screen. You start your planter system. Turn your planter off. Stops your liquid system. That's your auto steer. That's your your swath, whatever. All that. You can see it painting. So that's a planter. My impressions are that I like it a lot.
Shower possible, I-85. Tonight, chance of heavy blustery storms at 52.
That's not what we need.
Sunny, cooler at 72. Saturday's rain and storms, highs 55. Weekend rain totals 2 or more inches. I'm the director of our church, radio station 93.3 WKY.
That's not what we need. 2 more inches. We do not need that. Anyway, we're running along now. This is about 95 acres in this field, and I got 67 of it. Got this little strip to work out here, and then we gotta go over. Other side, the road gets shorter over there. We gotta start that tree and work it out that way. But yeah, everything's going pretty good. Like I said, my impressions. That's my impression of the planter. So yeah, I'm holding another video. That's just riding along with it, my bid. Of course, this one's got the hydraulic row cleaners on it. And it's also got everything you can control everything from the tab, your population. Like that there's your population. And all you gotta do is go over here which says I think it's this one. Maybe it's, I don't know which one of these it is, but one of the, I don't know which page it's on. But all you gotta do, if you want to change something, you gotta find it on the screen and walk it in there. So it's pretty good, So yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Alright, well, he's back to playing now, and I'm cycling in. But he's back to playing now, and we're going to see back down the field. Got that field finished, and then we jumped across the ditch. We jumped across the ditch now on the 35 acre field. I don't see guys riding. I don't see them riding around right now. Well, that's about 10 hours later, and we got the field I was in this morning. We got that 90 acres, we finished that up. Then we got 35 acres each, and now we're starting on this other field. We got 15 acres in it down. We got the end of it down, all this field here, got all the way around here, down these trees. And then we're fixing to start down because of the rain.
Western storms at 52. Tomorrow, sunny, cooler at 72. Saturday, rain and thorns, high 65. Weekend rain totals 211 inches. I'm meteorologist Tom Archer to weather station.
They ain't changed it nice this morning. He's on the dozer over there. The guy that helps us out a lot is on the dozer over there pushing up the limb, pushing up the tree. And I'm not sure what that's doing, but he playing a little bit. And I mean, he's playing, he's doing something, so that's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. So we're going to crank this up and go to the tree line over there, then we'll call it a day. We don't want to plant everything. We don't want to, we will go and start back to everything before it rains 2 inches. We'll start raining here in about 24 hours. Don't want to make it now, that's what they're saying. When all this stuff sets in the ground, before the rain hits it, we're planting, this still planting 32.5, we're putting down about 7 gallon fertilizer and everything, and so, yeah. Anyway, I'll update y'all in a couple hours how I'm going to get this done. So, yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Don't see that.